Hey, it's John from Addicted to Blades. Gonna check out these folders I got sent to me by 704 Gear. They're on YouTube and on Instagram. Got their own line of knives and do awesome videos, and they get awesome discounts from knife companies all the time. They always have some really great deals, sometimes 50% off a lot of times, and you can pick up some really nice knives and other gear from them for really good prices. So if you're not subscribed to them, you need to check them out, subscribe to them, give them a follow, watch some of their videos, order some of their deals, and you won't regret it. Here's the box this one came in. There's their logo. This is the Mantis. My card handles in black. Comes in this really nice pouch. Nice quality. Very cool. Comes in a little plastic bag. Comes with a really nice microfiber cleaning cloth. Very cool. Also comes with a couple stickers. And they have lifetime warranty. Nice little fuzzy lining inside there. Very nice way to protect your blade. Very nice pivot, button lock, deep carry pocket clip, reversible, lanyard slot, perfectly centered, thumb studs, great action, black wash finish on it. C28N blade steel. Very beautiful blade. Great action. Button lock works great. No stick to it. No blade play up and down or side to side. Very nice blade. I recommend them highly. They make fixed blades and they make folders, and they just come out. This is their new line of button locks. They make crossbar locks, liner locks. I've got a couple of their other knives and I've been really happy with them. Some of my favorite carries. Let's see how sharp it is. Very sharp. Try a push cut on it. Wicked sharp. Comes with very razor sharp edge. Beautifully made. Great fit and finish. Thanks a lot for sending this out to me. Check out 704 Gear. You won't regret it. Thanks for watching.